Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make sweet chili mayo dressing no salad. It's just a simple salad with sweet chili mayo dressing. My son had his first contact with sweet chili sauce recently and he's loving it. So I just made it into salad dressing and he's loving it too. So today I'm going to show you how to make it. Very easy, too easy almost. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with the salad. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. For the salad part, 4 eggs, snap peas, 1 onion and 2 potatoes. But you can use whatever you like for the salad. For the dressing, sweet chili sauce and Japanese Kewpie mayo. Let's make some boiled eggs first. Make a small cracks at the bottom of the eggs. This is a pointy side and this is a round side. On this side, this will make it easier to remove the shell later on. Put some water about halfway up the eggs. Cover with the lid and just bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low but keep it simmering and cook for 8 minutes. Boiled for 8 minutes. So let's take them out in ice water to stop cooking. It will also make it easy to remove the shell. Now, let's get to the vegetables. Snap peas. Snap it here and pull. Snap it here and pull. To remove this. Rinse and put in a bowl that you can microwave. Cover it and microwave 1 minute at 600 watts. Don't take the lid off so that it keeps steam cooking. How long to microwave totally depends on the amount of your peas, so please adjust. Potatoes. I'm going to use it with the skin on, so I washed it really well. Let's cut it into half, then slices. Put in the bowl that you can microwave. Put about a tablespoon of water. Cover it and microwave until it's nice and soft. I did 6 minutes at 600 watts. And the toothpick can easily go through. Let's just put it aside. And onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half. And let's make it into very thin, like paper thin slices using vegetable slicer. You can of course use knife, but this is much easier. It's very thinly sliced. Release it in some cold water, just random amount of water, and let it sit for 5 minutes. This is to remove the tanginess. Left for 5 minutes. So let's drain and squeeze. Take some and squeeze it really well. Salad spinner won't do this job. The vegetables and the eggs are ready. So let's make the dressing. It's just mixture of sweet chili sauce and Japanese Kewpie mayo. 2 to 1. Super easy. Let's do 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 6 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. You can just eyeball it. Give it a good mix. And the dressing is ready. Time to serve. Some onion, and potato, snap peas, and boiled egg. I'm using egg slicer. Put some dressing, and sweet chili mayo dressing no salad is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. No wonder why my son loves it so much. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. The salad is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. How about teriyaki chicken panini here, which will also cover the main, and creamy kabocha soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!